idea how hard this thing was like a year ago. Yeah, it was definitely hard. Didn't know what to do, how to put this on, and now I have mastered. So there we go. Click here, click over there, and should be good. Alrighty, guys. Of course, I love that shirt. So intrigued with the camera. Alrighty. Oh yeah, we have the little shorty McShorties. Check that. Here we go. Alright guys, so it is sunny, so we gotta get them sunglasses in. So far the yo, what the as you guys can see, it's definitely easier when it's sunny. You guys should have seen my brother and I just struggling to get the trim down here for what's it called, for on nighttime. But right now, like, it's literally just coming off. So look at that. Alright guys, so I think I just fucked up. Well, not exactly, because I don't know how would have done this. Actually, I take that back. So looks like there's two layers here of wrap. I'm pretty sure it's just the material. This part comes out, and it's not as glossy. It's just pretty much like plain wrap, which is pretty most people get. Which is like the glossy part. Maybe the material. I know my homie told me it's gonna be it took a while to get this material in, but maybe it's just that's right. Maybe that what you know, faded was this part, you know. This. I mean, I was thinking, man, if I would have known this, I would have just taken the top part out and rocked this. But actually, what made it glossy and beautiful was this part, you know. But yeah, shit. Late now. Anywho, guys, it's time to move on. Era. What's it called? If it works, I say nothing now. How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jenna. For the new, thank you guys for tuning in. Today, guys, is Broke Boys Meet. I like going to their meets. They're pretty chill. They're pretty relaxed, and then plus I like them because they're in ESCO. Sometimes I just don't come just because, you know, I'm usually in OC or honestly just working, because, you know, usually they do it when I'm not at work. But today wifey's at work. Got my brother, you see behind, right behind. You see my son back there. Hopefully the weather does clear out, because it is rainy. So I don't know if, hopefully, you know, the meet still goes on, or maybe it's just raining here, not over there, because we're like 30 minutes away. So yes. Also a big shout out to Toyota, dude. This Camry, my brother's my weakness, that my son pooped, so that trunk is huge, so we can actually change it with no issues whatsoever, you know. So big shout out for you, Toyota, making this beautiful Camry. All right, fam, it's my dad's birthday. Show him the cake, bro.
Oh yeah.
Gonna show him that beautiful cake. My dad's all about the tres leches, the three milk. I don't know how you say in English.
Tres leches.
So we bought the candles. What the candle says, bro?
Lucky 21.
21. Man. We gotta do the. Nobody likes their age, I guess. I guess 21 is just a good one. We can't do 15 because we'll be kind of like joking around, you know. So we're gonna be doing 21 when they're putting everything. Hopefully we can record this. Maybe my brother can record this, and we can just do a little something for him. He's at work right now. Well, I'm like him, even though now I changed a little bit. Now my birthdays, I do take the day off, but my dad just literally works. So even if it's his birthday, he still works, you know. I think he only takes the days off when it's like mom's or you guys' birthday, huh?
Emergency.
Yeah, or an emergency. Very rare though. But anywho's, guys, stay tuned. When you can start recording now, but
we're now doing the cake, trying to put on the candles. At the moment, beautiful cake.
Yeah. Let me see.
Oh, the hand. No.
Hopefully that's not. Okay. Doing this right here. You know, guys, I never do this kind of stuff, but you know,
it is family.
It is family. But yeah, even that, I never do this kind of things. before I met my wife, I was the person that would be working on my birthday too. You know. But things change, so. Okay, 21. There you go. We're gonna leave it now for here. Got the lighter here. We're gonna wait for my dad to get here, and then we'll sing happy birthday.
Beautiful day too, huh?
Yeah, freaking beautiful day with a rainy ass day. I thought he's
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.
Excuse me, sir, is this your car?
It's not a copy.
Huh?
It's not a copy.
The car? What?
Yeah.
The cop is here?
Another one.
Another one, shut up.
Yeah.
Are you the
That's outside for me?
are you Oligo? Sorry?
Hot boy.
Are you the hot boy from this car, sir? Are you the hot boy from this car? Oh no, I think that's you, bro. You're the famous. Yeah, I saw you on YouTube, bro. I saw your car, bro. It's an honor to meet you.
I know it's a game, I might gotta play, but maybe
guys, we also got the Teslas. Tesla game's going hard. We got a bag Tesla. Look at those rims. Clean stands, clean fitment from what I can see. Got a carbon fiber lid, carbon fiber size skirts. Check them out. Maybe they sub because got a Tesla there. Clean fucking shit. Look at this. Even the rear diffuser. God damn. If you just want to see how it looks in white, just look up the white one too. Beautiful fucking lid here. Stunning. Big rim stores for the fitment. It's really good too. With the camera there, I believe. Looks like carbon fiber, yeah. Got your IG there. Look at this, guys. God damn. No matter if you got an electronic car. They still go hard. Why, bro? Why are you doing that, bro? Wait, so it doesn't come out if you step on it? What? Shout out to my brother and my son. He's always supporting me. This crazy meats. Nah, it's not crazy. They're clean meats. They're good. But it's always fun. We're doing all these things. God damn. Simple, black and red. Oh, sick, bro. Sit down, man. Yeah, bro, up there. Over there.
What's over there?
Yeah, bro.
I saw your bumper at work. I was like, oh fuck. I was like,
Yeah.
Nicer. I saw it on your Instagram, and when I saw it in person, I was
Decided to go crazy on that car, bro. I was like, I know this fucking fit. I was like, I you told my brother, I was like, that's my coworker. I was like, I'm like, usually when I see it, you're always raving. So I'm like, no, I don't think that's him. I'll get you on my YouTube channel there inside, bro.
oh yeah, I know. I saw.